Hi and welcome to Cebu News. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. SM City Cebu expansion update as of February 2023. More employment and educational opportunities await Cebuanos as a mall expansion in Barangay Mabalo, Cebu City will include business process outsourcing, BPO, facilities and a university. Aside from the shopping mall expansion, the project will also include the development of a new parking area located in the establishment's north wing. A campus of the Manila-based School National University, NU, will be constructed above this new parking area, with the university to occupy levels 6 to 9 of a new 9-story building that will have a roof deck. 2 towers will also be built that can be used as workplaces for the city's booming BPO industry. The offices for the BPO towers will be from levels 6 to 20, with the bottom 5 levels set aside for parking. The school will be turned over a year after the start of the construction, since NU will open its doors to students by the start of the school year in 2025. The mall and parking area expansion are scheduled to be completed before the end of 2023, while the 2 BPO towers will be constructed one after the other.